Bell, don't worry. Next stop, Lincoln Grove. Next stop, Community Hospital. Oh my lord! What? Honk. Please spot the difference with Bus Guys Bosses. My lord, I need to try this bus again, see if it's any better. I have no idea what the rest of it is because I'm weird sometimes. Red chicken from the bus. We're not moving because look.
Traffic lights.
And there's traffic from behind as well. My lord, that's so bad.
That's awful.
Still got freeway. The traffic lights. Traffic light nonsense. And this does another half, but it doesn't go back to it. Just what this will do when it gets to Worcester. We'll do half. We'll do it another sort of full, but just half where that